English-Galician. Do equals.
hacer,
Plus future forms, you will do, he will do, they will do. Welcome. Ready to have some fun and master real Galician you'll use today? Let's dive in together. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly portal to smart language learning. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources, transcripts, and interactive drills. Today we'll nail the English-Galician verb, do, equals,
hacer,
and its future friends.
ti faràs,
You will do.
él fará,
He will do.
vos faredes,
You all will do.
fará,
They will do, and the lifesaver phrase.
servirá,
It will do. Deep breath, roll up your sleeves, time to.
hacer,
This. Your goal today. By the end, you'll say the base verb and future forms clearly and confidently. Let's set the plan. Base idea. Do.
hacer,
Say it.
hacer,
You, sing, will do.
ti faràs,
Say it twice.
ti faràs, ti faràs,
He will do.
él fará,
Strong and clear.
él fará,
You, plural, will do.
vos faredes,
Team energy.
vos faredes,
They will do.
fará,
Promise mode.
fará,
And when something is good enough, it will do.
servirá,
Nod and say.
servirá,
Mini dialogue. Shadow the lines. You're in a quick, funny scene. Repeat after the beep in your head. A. Can you handle the report? B. Yes.
ti faràs,
The slides in.
él fará,
The summary. A. And if the projector is old? B. Relax.
servirá,
A. Okay, what do we actually need to do? B. First.
hacer,
A checklist. Then.
vos faredes,
A quick test. Finally, they?
fará,
The final upload. A. Perfect. If coffee appears by magic, I'll believe in productivity fairies. B. Coffee? That we can.
hacer,
For real. Forms and rhythm. Clap the beat, speak the form. Rhythm makes grammar sticky. Base verb.
hacer,
FACER. You, sing, will do.
ti faràs,
Clap clap.
ti faràs,
He will do.
él fará,
Point forward.
él fará,
You, plural, will do.
vos faredes,
Team chant.
vos faredes,
They will do.
fará,
Promise vibe.
fará,
Good enough.
servirá,
Thumb up.
servirá,
Pro tip. Don't say Spanish, harás. In Galician it's.
faràs, ti faràs,
Culture tip. Language lives in culture. Here's a tiny glimpse of Galicia. In Galicia's Romarias and along the Camino de Santiago, neighbors gather to
hacer,
food, music, and memories together. If organizers say the volunteers.
fará,
The setup by sunset, trust that plan, community spirit is strong, and teamwork really does the job. And if the mic is a bit crackly? Shrug and smile.
servirá,
Lightning quiz. Answer out loud, then I'll reveal the answer. Short pauses are for you to speak. Translate. To do. Answer.
hacer,
Translate. He will do the report. Answer.
Él fará.
O. Inform. Translate. You, plural, will do the project tomorrow. Answer.
Vos faredes.
O proxecto mania. Translate. They will do it after lunch. Answer.
Fará.
Iso despois do jantar. Say, it will do. Answer.
Servirá.
Promise a friend. You will do the dishes. Answer.
Ti farás.
Os pratos. Challenge time. Your turn to create. Keep it short, keep it bold. Make a sentence with
Facer.
to do. Say it now. Example. Hox imos.
Facer.
A lista. Make a promise with
Ti farás.
example.
Ti farás.
A chamada pola manhã. Assign something to him with
Él fará.
example.
Él fará.
A presentation. Talk to your team with
Vos faredes.
example.
Vos faredes.
Os exercicios primero. Talk about the group with
Fará.
example.
Fará.
Todo a tempo. Approve a good enough fix with
Servirá.
example. Non è perfecto, pero.
Servirá.
Bonus joke. If your plan includes snacks, productivity.
Servirá.
Double. Outro. You did great, high five from the studio. Thanks for listening, keep practicing.
Facer. Ti farás. Él fará. Vos faredes. Fará.
And.
Servirá.
In tiny daily moments. This podcast was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, exercises, and laughs. See you next time. Until then, keep calm and
Facer.
on.